Okay, so here we are. Look, here we are. Say hello to say hello to Pete. Why are you on my desk? Why are you on my desk? Jean-Claude. Guilty but happy. Lying on my keyboard as it does, don't you? Yeah. Beautiful cat. Okay. Oh, wow. I'll put a roaring sound in there, then we'll think I'm a filmmaker. Okay. So we are walking to the restaurant. We really are being progressive today. So we're just leaving our home, which is in here. It's the guardhouse. And the place we're going is just over there. Just over there. So let's go find it. Probably won't come out anyway. I don't think it's a pub. I don't think they quite know what a pub is. This is where we're going, KoCoDak. I didn't bring mine.
Yeah, so we just prepare fried chicken and soy and garlic chicken, and then some Korean soup. So if you want to order chicken, just choose here.
Yeah. Okay. So the soy and chicken. How much is this? This is a big plate, yeah? So
Yes.
Two people.
Yeah. This one is a whole. Whole is 2 ringgit and half is 27 ringgit. Yeah. So if you want to half and half, you can order.
Okay. So I think everybody likes garlic and soy, don't we?
I like this.
Wow.
How about you just?
I think we just go for the whole in the
One,
soy.
yes, okay. Yeah, whole one.
Yeah,
Okay,
thank you.
Okay, so you might be search. So they're basically, we're in the midst of a soft opening, so the menu is only very short at the moment. So we're all going to have some soy and garlic fried chicken, which is fine. We could have had a couple of soup options. Korean soup isn't not Chinese hot pot steamboat.
Oh, that smells good. Oh, that smells good. Can someone turn it up, please? I think we're out for tomorrow. So the lady comes out. Why are you picking it up with your chopsticks?
It's probably hot as well. I'm sure I am. Okay.
No, it's hot. Yes.
What's that? So, a truncated menu, but if it's just chicken you're after, really juicy, nice, hot, fresh chicken, like that, really nice. Obviously, so we can see what this place is really like. So we're struggling to get content for our videos at the moment. Throwing away so much today because not very good. This beautiful lady.